I was in my early 30s, and we had 3 children, and we were both in working and trying to make a household run.
I kicked myself because I like, if you had did this, this wouldn't have happened. If you'd have just stayed, you gave in and you threw your hands up.
You should be treated this way, and your man should do it this way. And so because he wasn't there yet, I allowed that voice to be louder.
That's so good.
Started believing God that we were going to get back together.
I was like, man, move on.
Cortez is a good man.
He's a good man.
And I understand what good is. The fact that he's faithful to God, that you can count on him. He has a vision.
Yeah.
He's a family man.
When the word of God says that with man this is impossible, but with God,
all things.
all things.
And it took God.
And it took God.